Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie from Fairytopia. I did do the pink slash orange dress instead of the rainbow one. So let's get started with the video, shall we? I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair. So I used this bun in this blonde color, no adjustments, and then I did this in only bangs. I did Y at 0.52, Z 0.53, and then I did this pony as well, this bang, and then positioned it at Y at 0.54 and scaled it all the way to 0.35. Oh, I'm still posing. Okay, and then you're going to use this top here. Where is it? Top only, and then you use this color FF6E89 in silk. Or light, I think I did light silk. And then we are going to use the petal dress. I know you guys are probably sick of that. Turn off silver top. Color it the same color as the rest. I am going to add a little bit orange on the top. E18C61. And then I am going to add more orange, but just a little bit lighter at the edge here. Then we're going to use this skirt from the currency item, turn off bow, color it this color first, and then, and then the orange, and then the pink. I don't remember what color I used, if I'm being honest. I think I used like a lighter pink for this, and then I used yellow. Let's see if no, I'm going to just use like a lighter pink for that. Maybe like this color for the third toggle, and then yellow. Alright, and then for the shoes, I used these ballet shoes. And then I colored this color, 369621 for all of that. And then, what else did I add? Oh, I added a butterfly in this blue sort of turquoise color. And I think that's it. It's actually super simple to make. Let me know if I forgot anything, because sometimes, oh, the wings, duh. I'm like, let me know if I forgot anything. The wings, honey, the wings. Make the wings bigger. Color it this color first, this pink, and then this other pink, and then this yellow, and then this orange. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.